Kartra pricing and Kartra cost. So welcome to today's video. If you're looking to learn about the pricing plans and the cost of Kartra, then you came to the right video because I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can actually go ahead and make a decision based on the pricing plans on Kartra. And if you do want to actually see the most up-to-date pricing plans, regardless of when you're watching this video, all you have to do is just simply click the top link down below in the video description, and you'll be able to actually come to a page like this. It may look different over time, but you'll be able to go over here and click on start your trial, all plans and pricing. So we'll just click on start your trial for today's video. As you can see right here, we can actually see the pricing plans for Kartra. So we have the starter plan, the silver plan, the gold, and the platinum plan right here. And at the time of calling this video, instead of getting a 14-day free trial, if you actually hover over the tab, like trying to exit out of the tab, you'll see that you can actually double your trial and get a limited time 30-day trial, which is pretty cool. So I will actually have a link down below in the video description for the Kartra 30-day trial if you do want to learn more about that and you want more step-by-step tutorial for that. And if you are looking to learn more about Kartra as well, or you want to get a trial, then I will provide a link down below and to my Kartra pricing page on my website. So I'll leave a couple links down below for you in the video description. So regarding the pricing plans right here, as you can see on screen, there's 4 pricing plans right here. So we have the starter plan right here, which is going to be very, very common for most people. So as you can see, it's going to be $1 for 14 days or for 30 days if you do the Kartra 30-day trial method. And as you can see, you'll be paying $99 per month for that. And then obviously if we go over here for the annual plan for either one of these 4 plans right here, you end up saving 25% and getting 25% discount. So if you do want to save more money, then it's going to be better to pay in advance. And of course, that's going to be based on your own personal preference, right? All right, so if we go over here, the silver plan right here is going to be $199 a month, and the gold plan right here is going to be $299 a month, and then the platinum plan right here is going to be the $499 a month plan right here. So obviously with each 4 plans right here, there is going to be some differences. So I guess the main difference right off the bat is going to be the amount of leads you get per plan. So right off the bat, with the starter plan right here, you get 2,500 leads, and then obviously with the silver plan you get up to 12,500 leads. So I think right off the bat, the best value for your money is going to be the silver plan. Yes, it's going to be $199 a month, but in comparison to all the other plans, which are more expensive, and obviously in comparison to the starter plan, you do get a lot of value. For instance, you get a massive increase in the amount of leads right here in comparison to the starter plan. And then obviously, for example, if we compare the starter to the silver plan right here, you're limited to the amount of emails per month right here. Whereas with the silver plan, you get unlimited emails, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited pages, unlimited videos, unlimited products, unlimited membership sites, unlimited team members, unlimited help desk, and Kartra agency. Whereas Kartra agency isn't included for the starter plan, and you're very limited to the amount of features that you get with the starter plan. So the silver plan is probably going to be the best value for your money in comparison to the silver plan, to the gold and platinum plan. And as you can see, Kartra agency right here. What is Kartra agency? There's a video that goes over that as well if you want to learn more about that in a lot more detail. Now if we compare the silver plan right here for $199 a month in comparison to the gold and platinum plan right here, you'll see that the unlimited features do apply for the gold, platinum, and silver plans. So that off the bat, isn't going to necessarily going to make you want to go to gold or platinum, because you have unlimited emails for all 3 of these plans right here. And the main difference at this point is going to be the amount of leads you have for your business. So if you're growing a business that's quite successful, you're going to obviously want to increase the amount of leads you can have for your business. So as you can see, for silver, it's going to be up to 12,500 leads. With gold, it's going to be up to 25,000, and with platinum, it's going to be up to 50,000 leads. Able to get more custom domains with the gold, and then obviously with the platinum plan being the most in comparison to the silver plan. So those are some of the key differences between all 4 of the individual plans right here. And of course, your Kartra plan includes various different features. So again, I will provide a link down below in the video description to my Kartra pricing plans article, which goes over a lot more information in this video. I just wanted to make this video for you today to give you a visual element, so you can go through the pricing plans through a video format as well. So your Kartra plan includes the Kartra checkouts, Kartra funnels and campaigns, Kartra surveys and quizzes, Kartra pages. So Kartra pages is actually going to be a big thing for most people. So this is where you can basically use a drag and drop page builder with hundreds of professionally made templates. So you can build landing pages and all that type of stuff. And then obviously you can use Kartra checkouts to sell products as well. So Again, if you have like your own course or your own e-commerce products or whatever it may be, you can use Kartra checkouts, and you can use, credit card payments and PayPal payments as well on the checkout pages to, maximize conversions. Like giving your customers multiple different payment methods and options to pay is going to be very important. So you can do that with Kartra checkouts, Kartra funnels and campaigns. So you can kind of like piece together those pages and really build, a multi-page funnel that's going to convert your leads into customers and all that type of stuff, right? And then there's obviously Kartra Mail, so it's going to be like your email marketing and SMS marketing campaign type of stuff as well. And then if you're like, delivering your content via, digital information training, so if you're basically doing like an online course or anything like that, you can use Kartra memberships. There's obviously Kartra affiliate management as well. So I just wanted to quickly give you a bit of a rundown of the Kartra pricing plans at the time of recording this video. Again, feel free to click the top links down below. There's multiple links down below for your convenience that you can go through, so you can do some more research and even maximize your trial period for Kartra as well if you do want to get a 30-day free trial. Again, that could be removed at any time, but the links down below will give you the most up-to-date trial periods, if there are any, and the most up-to-date deals and pricing plans for Kartra. So thanks for watching today's video, and I hope you found a lot of value and learned a lot of information in today's Kartra pricing plans video. Thanks for watching.